Are stiff joints, aching knees, or that constant cracking sound making you feel older than you really are? What if the secret to pain-free movement isn't in your medicine cabinet, but right on your plate? Stay tuned, because these 7 science-backed nutrients could be the key to restoring your joints and reclaiming your mobility. 1. Omega-3 fatty acids, anti-inflammatory hero. Close-up of salmon fillet rich in omega-3s. Flax seeds and chia seeds in a wooden spoon. Fish oil capsules beside an inflamed joint. Diagram: elderly man eating grilled mackerel with a smile. Omega-3 supplement bottle labeled for joint health. Child pouring chia seeds into ASMOOTHIE. Joint model showing reduced inflammation. From omega-3s. Animation of omega-3 self repairing joint tissues. Sardines on toast as an anti-inflammatory snack. Hand-holding krill oil soft gels. Doctor recommending omega-3 south to an arthritis patient. Fatty fish displayed with joint health banner. Spoonful of flaxseed oil being added to salad. Woman jogging after omega-3 joint recovery. Omega-3 molecule structure labeled joint support. C-themed flat lay of omega-rich foods. Before and after X-ray of joints with omega-3 usage. Elder couple holding fish oil bottles with happy expressions. Anti-inflammatory food plate with omega-rich items. Graphic: omega-3 equals joint lubrication. Salmon fillet next to a no more joint pain sign. Teen athlete taking fish oil supplement. Infographic: top sources of omega-234 joints. Chef cooking sardines with healthy joints. Labeled. Happy cartoon knee eating a salmon burger. 2. Vitamin D bone plus joint strength. Sun shining over a person doing yoga. Fortified milk next to a joint model. Vitamin D capsule glowing like sunshine. Comparison of bones with and without vitamin D. Doctor explaining vitamin D's role in joint support. Morning sunlight beaming on a smiling senior. Vitamin D3 bottle on top of health magazines. Person walking barefoot on grass under sunlight. Joint X-ray before and after vitamin D. Therapy: eggs and mushrooms arranged in a joint boost theme. Graphic showing sunlight converting to vitamin D in skin. Family on a picnic with healthy joints. Illustration: woman absorbing morning sun near balcony. No more joint weakness poster with vitamin D bottle. Sunny breakfast scene with D-rich foods. Joint pain infographic including vitamin D deficiency. CHALKBOARD drawing of bones absorbing vitamin D. Vitamin D-rich food pyramid capsules labeled joint defender D3 power. Healthy knee surrounded by sunlight rays. Animated happy skeleton absorbing sunlight. Doctor holding vitamin D lab report showing improvement. Infographic: best time to get sunlight for D production. Graphic: strong joints start with sunshine. Sunshine themed smoothie bowl labeled joint support. 3. Glucosamine cartilage repair. Glucosamine supplement bottle beside a cartilage model. Illustration of glucosamine rebuilding knee cartilage. Runner with highlighted knees labeled glucosamine boost. Doctor explaining glucosamine for osteoarthritis. Healthy joint animation post-glucosamine use. Bottle of glucosamine next to a notepad labeled joint recovery plan. Capsules on a table with joint anatomy chart. Happy elderly man walking pain-free holding glucosamine. Person marking pain-free in journal after glucosamine use. Before and after joint scan results labeled glucosamine effect. Joint repair illustrated through glucosamine path. Runner applying glucosamine gel to knees. Close-up of glucosamine labeled cartilage rebuilder. Senior stretching with glucosamine bottle in hand. Poster: glucosamine joint relief. You can feel glucosamine powder being mixed into SMOOTHIE.X-ray. Overlays showing cartilage healing. Infographic: how glucosamine supports joints. Man smiling next to day 30. No joint pain chart. Glucosamine molecules repairing damaged cartilage in animation. Timeline graphic of cartilage growth after glucosamine. Nurse explaining glucosamine benefits to patient. Supplement: add visual. Glucosamine equals joint youth. Video game style. Bar refilling joint health with glucosamine. Diagram showing glucosamine plus chondroitin synergy. For chondroitin joint cushioning. Joint cushioning visual with chondroitin caption. Chondroitin glucosamine combo bottle. Soft goal image labeled chondroitin cartilage helper. Diagram: Chondroitin increasing joint fluid. Elderly woman walking dog after chondroitin therapy. MRI showing thicker joint space after supplement. Patient holding X-ray next to smiling doctor. Chondroitin working at cellular level. Visual. Infographic cushion your joints naturally. Hand placing chondroitin capsule beside joint pain chart. Water molecules surrounding chondroitin. Graphic. Before and after animation of joint pressure relief. Senior walking upstairs holding chondroitin bottle. Athlete doing squats. Post chondroitin recovery. Goodbye creaky knees poster with chondroitin focus. Label design. Joint shock absorber. Chondroitin joint padding. Effect illustration. Doctor approving chondroitin treatment on tablet. Joint cartilage being plugged by chondroitin animation. Person comparing joint comfort levels pre and post supplement. Skeleton sitting on a cushion. Labeled chondroitin. Visual. Cartilage. Sponge absorbing water with chondroitin. Bubble chart. Joint comfort scores with chondroitin. Young adult choosing chondroitin at health store. Patient testimonial clip visual. This saved my knees. 5. Turmeric. Curcumin. Natural anti-inflammatory. Fresh turmeric root sliced. Beside supplement bottle. Golden turmeric. Latte labeled. Joint soother. Curcumin. Molecule. Over-inflamed. Joint animation. Anti-inflammatory food plate with turmeric in center. Joint pain melting away. Visual with golden curcumin flood. Person sprinkling turmeric on roasted veggies. Infographic. Turmeric versus ibuprofen for joints. Spice your way out of pain. Add layout. Before after knee inflammation photos with curcumin use. Curcumin supplement capsules glowing with relief. Yoga instructor drinking turmeric tea. Flat lay of turmeric, ginger and other anti-inflammatory foods. Poster. Turmeric equals nature's painkiller. Animated turmeric fighting inflammation monsters. Hands mixing turmeric paste labeled joint healing balm. Timeline of inflammation reduction with turmeric. Golden hued smoothie with label joint boost. Person smiling while drinking turmeric tonic. Turmeric root glowing next to joint X-ray. Elder saying I move like I'm 30 again with turmeric. Collagen joint flexibility plus strength. Collagen peptide scoop being mixed in coffee before after joint flexibility test with collagen. Label woman stretching with collagen protein powder behind joint layers being reinforced by collagen animation. Bone broth labeled liquid joint health. Visual of elastic cartilage fibers being rebuilt. Collagen powder beside yoga mat and water bottle. Chart. Collagen versus age-related joint wear. Healthy cartilage labeled powered by collagen. Morning routine flat lay with collagen smoothie. Athlete's knee wrapped with collagen. Repair banner. Animated collagen weaving through joint tissue. Elder couple smiling over collagen enriched soup. Hair, skin, and joints. Triangle labeled collagen benefits. Stretch with ease. Ad featuring collagen bottle. Happy joint character. After collagen drink. Strong tendon and ligament visual. Thanks to collagen. Fitness influencer promoting collagen for recovery. Female runner with collagen boosted joints. Gelatin rich food plate. Collagen naturally. Doctor holding collagen report with joint health stats. Timeline showing joint stiffness reduction over 30 days. Visual metaphor. Collagen scaffolding. Rebuilding joint. Sports injury rehab enhanced by collagen graphic. Peaceful sleep image with collagen healing at night. 7. Magnesium muscle plus joint relaxation. Magnesium-rich foods, almonds, spinach, avocados. Relaxed man soaking feet in magnesium bath. Muscle tension. Release visual labeled magnesium effect. Magnesium oil spray being used on knees. Flat lay of magnesium capsules on calming blue background.